How to delete old folders from Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can delete old folder in Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started. For that you have to press Windows and R key in your keyboard. Then you will see this run prompt in your device, and in this text box type in cleanmgr, click on OK. Now you will see this pop up in your interface. If you click on this drop down here, it will let you select your drive. So you have to select your drive, then click on OK. Now you have to wait for a while. Now again from this pop up box, you have to click on Clean up System Files. Again select your drive, click on OK. Again you have to wait for a while. So again from this pop-up box from here, you could select all of these folders. So select all of the folders from here, and once you're selecting all from here, you could click on OK. After that you will see a small warning box where it says permanently delete the file. Then you have to click on OK. Once you do that, all of your old folder from your Windows 11 will be deleted. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.